Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 4x to the power of 3. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. Because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. Next, this one we change by u. S to the power of 3 ds we change by this one. And now we have the formula in here. So we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.